Nobody tells you this quietly. Dopamine addiction doesn't feel like pain. It feels like normal life. Scrolling, eating, watching, listening, all day. And somehow, you're always tired. Pause. I didn't escape dopamine addiction by fighting it. I escaped it the day I finally understood it. No drama, no big moment, just clarity. Let me explain it the same way it clicked for me. What dopamine addiction actually is. Simple, no theory. Dopamine is not pleasure, it's anticipation. It's the feeling of one more scroll, next video, next bite, next song. Your brain isn't enjoying life, it's waiting for the next hit. Scrolling gives it fast spikes. Porn gives it unnatural spikes. Junk food spikes it without effort. Constant music fills silence, so you never feel yourself. Over time, real life feels flat. Not because life is boring, but because your brain is overstimulated. If everything feels dull, maybe nothing is wrong with life. Maybe your nervous system is just tired. The mistake people make about dopamine detox, they think it means deleting everything. No phone, no joy. That's not detox, that's punishment. And punishment never rewires the brain. I didn't quit life, I lowered the volume. That's it. Principle 1. Reduce dopamine. Don't eliminate it. Your brain hates shock, so don't shock it. Instead of no scrolling ever, do this. Delay it. Wake up. Do nothing stimulating for 30 minutes. No phone, no music, no reels. Just water, light movement, window, silence. That one change alone starts rewiring. You don't need discipline all day. You need one clean window in the morning. Principle 2. Urges are not enemies. When urges hit, don't fight them, observe them. Urges feel urgent, but they peak for 90 to 120 seconds. Tell yourself, I'll decide after 2 minutes. Sit, breathe slow, let the wave pass. Most urges don't want action, they want attention. Every urge you don't obey teaches your brain something new. What I replaced cheap dopamine with, this is important. You can't remove dopamine. You can only upgrade the source. Cheap dopamine, endless scrolling, porn, junk food. Stable dopamine, walking, light workouts, reading a few pages, working with slight discomfort. None of these feel exciting at first. That's the point. Healing feels boring before it feels peaceful. Why boredom is actually medicine. Boredom is not empty, it's reset. When you sit with boredom, your thoughts come back, your curiosity wakes up, your focus rebuilds. At first, boredom feels itchy, then uncomfortable, then clear. That's your brain recalibrating. Creativity only visits quiet rooms. Food, music, and small adjustments. Realistic, no extremes. You don't need a perfect diet. Just remove constant snacking. Eat full meals. Music? Use it intentionally, not as background anesthesia. Try this. No music during walks. No music during basic tasks. Silence feels loud at first. Then it becomes grounding. Rewiring happens slowly, and that's good. First 3 to 5 days, restlessness, brain asking for hits. Day 7 to 10, focus starts returning. Sleep improves slightly. After 2 to 3 weeks, you feel present again. A calm mind is stronger than a motivated one. When you relapse, don't spiral. Don't shame yourself. Relapse doesn't erase progress. It reveals triggers. Ask calmly, what was I avoiding? Then adjust. It's a direction. The quiet shift that changed everything for me. One day, I noticed something strange. I didn't need my phone to feel okay. I didn't crave noise. I could sit still. That's when I realized dopamine detox isn't about becoming productive. It's about becoming available to your own life. You don't need to escape the world. You just need to stop overstimulating your nervous system. Lower the volume. Day the hit. Choose boredom sometimes. Your brain knows how to heal. It just needs space. And slowly, life starts feeling real again.